Okay. Morning, everybody. This is Mike, Pine Ridge Garage, and it is November 15th, first day of gun deer season, and we're gonna head out and see if we can see that 30 point buck today. But we're taking the Buick this morning today to hunt, and we'll get her started. Oh yeah, starts up every time. Oh,
So book your spring break getaway. Book now.
Look at there. We've got a low tire light come on. Of course, we've got lots of other lights, but oh well, let's go see. Oh well, it's low tire, no big deal. We'll do the right thing and fix it tonight. We're just gonna drive on it and worry about it tonight. We're going hunting. Hey everybody, here we are, first day of deer season, and we're doing a service call. Got the old service Buick here, and we're gonna go fix a furnace. Opening day of deer season. Well, okay, that wasn't so bad. We discovered it was a thermostat issue, and one of those, we like those, so quick and simple. Back to the woods. Here we go. We're gonna head out in the woods and do a little hunting. Okay, we're here. Gotta open up the gate. Open up the gate here. Now we'll park the car. Get ready and walk to the blind. It is a beautiful day, snowing. Get the gear out. Get the coat on. Get the weapon out. I'm gonna use the old 270 today. Alright. Beautiful day out. For opening day of deer season. There's this. I just heard something. Hang on. Alright. We'll get in there blind and settle in. Of course, we gotta turn the propane on for the heater once it gets cold. Not too bad out right now. So this is the blind. Come on in. Shut the door. Alright, so we got windows. There's our heater if we need it. There we go. Got the lane out there. So we'll sit back and wait. Okay, here it is, end of the first day, and we got a little bit of snow. Saw 3 doe today, this afternoon, evening. So headed back to the car, head back to the home. So that wraps up today's hunt. We'll be back out here tomorrow morning and see if we can see some more deer. Anyways, beautiful day, great day to be out hunting. And hey, we got a couple other things done. Fixed the furnace, and now we got to go back and check out one of them tires, see which one's low, and fix that. See if we can find the leak. All part of a day on the first day of hunting. Well, we are just getting back to the house from hunting, and we're gonna pull the car in the garage here and find out which one of these tires was leaking, or is low, I should say. And this has been burning. We'll take a look, see if we can figure out which tire keeps going low. It's been going low for quite a while, so we'll take a look at that, and we'll address it yet tonight. So, got to maintain this service Buick. Looks like that tire right there might be the one low. Yeah, I think so. So, come along. Stay tuned, and we'll get this off, see if we can find the leak, and see if we can repair it yet tonight. Okay, so here we are. Got the Buick in the barn. Check all these tires. So far, they've all been 30, 32, and this one is, there we go, less than 20. The rest of them. So this is the driver's rear, drinker side rear. We'll jack it up, get that wheel off, pump it up, see if we can find some soapy water, find where it's leaking. All right, well, I pumped some air into it. Oh yeah, we're over 40. So, as I rolled the tire over here, I did discover, looks to be a nail. Let's squirt a little soapy. Yeah, that one's not leaking, but it's definitely a nail. Okay, here it is. Get a pair of pliers. Get our plug tool ready. Alright, let's pull this out. Oh geez, what much there? Hey, hey, hey. Well, let's ream it out. Maybe the other part's in there. Okay. Okay. All right. And we got it. No more leaks. We'll put her back on. All right. I'll just trim these down flat. And there. Tire's been plugged. Should be good to go now. Hopefully we don't keep getting low tire. This thing's been, oh, I should have checked it a long time ago, obviously. But, let's squirt her again. Nope. Good. Okay, we're good. We'll be good for tomorrow's hunt. Thanks for watching. And again, this is Mike at Pine Ridge Garage. Again, all the things that we do to kind of keep things rolling here. Got to keep the old service Buick going. Here at Pine Ridge Garage, that's the kind of service you get. Fix the tire, fix the furnace, Sarkozy Plumbing and Heating. That's just the kind of service we do. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe button, share, and comment below. Take care and have a good day. See ya.